Hey, what's up, guys? Sam here, and I'll be doing the free video for Friday, January 19th, 2024. So today is OpX. It's a particularly large one, and in classic Friday slash OpX fashion, we finish with a banger. 43 points with 2.5 hours to go in the day. Classic Friday banger. But it's not just that. You got yourself a new high on the SPX here. 48.25.63 as we speak. Probably goes higher after after the video is made here, but new high on SPX. That's the story of the week. And I just finished as usual, just making the video for the folks in the gold room. We looked at everything, same thing as we always do. We looked at the SPX, we looked at the QQQ, the IWM, we looked at the bond market, we looked at the dollar, we looked at volatility, and guess what? I have the exact same message that I had for you guys last week on this Friday video. I have it for you again today, and that is everything is rosy and perfect and great, and you'll never see a significant pullback again in your lifetime. Now I say that tongue-in-cheek, but not really. You can see up here on the labels, the SPX is max bull on literally every time frame that matters. And once you make a new all-time high, the thing with that is there's no resistance. So you're kind of free to move pretty liberally through that level and start going significantly higher. The target on this is probably somewhere above 5,000. I think that it's kind of manifest destiny that the SPX is going to get to 5,000. There's just nothing that's going to stop it at this point. It doesn't get there in a straight line, but with some wiggles, it should get there. I also think that if it gets to 5,000, it doesn't stop at 5,000. So you probably get all the way to like 5,100, 5,200. Of course, we'll adjust if we get signals before that. But as you can see here, using the indicator, you got a buy signal in October. Kaboom. And absolutely no changes whatsoever to the indicator. So as beautiful as it could be, right? That's as clean of a signal as it gets. And so I have no reason to doubt the thing going into next week. Do just be a little bit judicious, right? Because I think a lot of the things that we want to buy are going to be relatively extended above even something like an hourly 21. Keep in mind the daily mean is the 21, the weekly mean is the 21, and the hourly mean is the 21. So as I speak to you here, the SPX is about 50 points away from its hourly mean, which is still a pretty aggressive level. So even just a normal pullback to hourly moving averages is going to be painful in some of these stocks, especially the chip stocks, which have had a massive week. So aside from that, party on. Just mind your risk. If prices get way too high, be willing to take some profits, and then of course look to reload. There's absolutely no signals to do anything other than that. So we'll come back next Friday and see if anything has changed. But it seems like almost every video that I've had with you guys on a Friday, we've had the same story, right? It's market go up, buy tech, market go up, buy tech. So as long as the signals keep printing, we're going to keep saying market go up and buy tech. So hope this was helpful. A little bit of a shorter video than usual, but the market is rather clear at this point in terms of what to do. So we'll make adjustments as necessary as the signals tell us to. But going into next week, I have no reason to doubt that this thing wants higher. So I'll be playing it as such. All right, guys, that's my time. Have a great weekend. See you next Friday. Cheers. Hey traders, this is Sam with Simpler Trading. I want to thank you for watching today's video. Hopefully you found the information in it helpful. If you did, leave us a like, leave us a comment. It really does help us out with the algorithm. And if you want to see us trade live with our own real money and be part of the community, come and check us out at simplertrading.com.